Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your bank account from your PayPal account. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log in into your PayPal business account, but make sure you are using PayPal business account. Okay, so you need to click on pay and get. On this window you need to click on bank and cards. Okay, and once you click on banks and card, you will see a lots of options. You need to scroll down and you need to click on your bank name, and you need to click on this option, your bank option, and you need to scroll down, and in the bottom side you will see how you can remove your card, remove bank option. Okay, on this screen you need to click on simply remove bank, and rest follow the prompts, and by using this method you can easily remove your bank from your PayPal account. Okay, so this is the information, and if you have any issues you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.